Hi everybody, my name is Aldo and welcome back to the MikroTIk Internet YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the MikroTIk hAP AX3. For those of you who don't know, the hAP AX3 is one of the latest offerings in the MikroTIk product line. It sports Wi-Fi 6 technology. It also has one 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port along with four 1 gigabit Ethernet ports. Inside the box itself you will find mounting screws. This can be used alongside the bracket to attach the router against the wall, or the bracket can be used to stand the router upright on your desk. For power, the unit comes with a 24 volt 1.5 amp power supply, which is included in the box. And now onto the router itself. As you can see, the router features a slim, sleek black design, which is also passively cooled, which is fantastic as there's no noise. And also in the box comes the most important thing, the two external Wi-Fi antennas. These antennas are used to provide you with the best Wi-Fi coverage and also optimal speeds. The MikroTIk hAP AX3 is readily available through MikroTIk Internet. If you are in the market for a new router, please contact us. We'll provide you with the best pricing possible and get you up and running in no time. Thank you so much.